You gotta hear this if you're into tech. AI seems like it's taking over the world, but there's a catch. Sure, AI writes essays, creates art, even beats humans at chess. But does it really understand what it's doing? Or just following patterns like a supercharged calculator? AI isn't magic, it doesn't think or feel like us. So, how close are we to truly intelligent AI? Let's peel back the layers and uncover the truth. Ready to rethink everything you knew about AI? Let's dive in. AI has made incredible strides in recent years, but it's important to remember that it's still just a tool. It can analyze data at lightning speed and even mimic human behavior, but it lacks genuine understanding. Think of it as a highly advanced parrot, repeating what it's been taught without grasping the meaning. This is why AI can sometimes produce surprising or even bizarre results. It's all about the data it's fed and the patterns it recognizes. So what does the future hold for AI? Experts believe that while we're making progress, we're still far from creating machines that can truly think and feel. The journey to artificial general intelligence, where AI can perform any intellectual task a human can, is still a long one. But that doesn't mean we should underestimate the power of current AI. It's already transforming industries from healthcare to finance, and its potential is enormous. However, AI has its limitations. It struggles with tasks requiring common sense, emotional intelligence, and ethical decision-making. For instance, AI can identify patterns in medical data but can't replace the nuanced judgment of a seasoned doctor. Similarly, while AI can generate art, it lacks the emotional depth and context that human artists bring to their work. Looking ahead, the potential developments in AI are both exciting and daunting. We might see AI that can better understand human emotions, or even AI that can collaborate with humans in more meaningful ways. But with these advancements come ethical considerations. How do we ensure AI is used responsibly? What happens if AI makes decisions that impact people's lives? These are questions we must address as we move forward. So next time you hear about an AI breakthrough, remember, it's impressive, but it's not the same as human intelligence. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's see where this exciting journey takes us. The future of AI is a shared journey, and it's up to all of us to navigate it wisely.